At the same time, we have also urged the Rangbashnongs and the MDC and other leaders for Maulai that they should also play an active role in order to ensure that peace is restored in Maulai area and in Shillong city as a whole. I'm happy that the Rangbashnongs and the MDC have responded very positively, and they have told us that they will do everything in their capacity to mobilize people and inform them and ensure that no further incidents take place, and to ensure that peace returns back not just to Maulai area but to Shillong city as a whole. So it was a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that after this meeting we will see more positive results, and not only from the aspect of ensuring that there's peace in the area, but also ensuring that the problems related to the Maulai area also are addressed. And in this area where the land has been occupied by the CRPF, we are also proposing that we should have some youth center and some cultural center, something that will be productive for the youth of that area. So that also was discussed, and we will further discuss in detail on how we can develop that area for the benefit of the people of Maulai.